this is the MVC framework read data assignment. I'll show you my final project. I go to my localhost and I click on our folder, go to my name and click on the MVC framework read, and it automatically pulls up my information just like my MVC read. When I click on the name, it shows my name, the sex, and the date of birth. Click back and it goes back just like the other one, except this time we're using frameworks again. All the right information again, and the last one. So that's pretty much, it's the exact same as the first read data assignment, except this time we just implemented it into the frameworks. Let's see. I realized after getting some help, it's just a lot of copy and pasting your other information into here, but then you have to change a few things. So let's start with, that is not what I want to open. Oops. Okay, here's my index. This is what shows up below the list of my birthday table. Click on the item to view the table. I have a for each loop, so for each people, then I want my tag to show the person. I want the ID and the name. So this is what, you can't see the ID, but the names show up. View birthday, so when I click on them, this is how I get all that to show up, my for each loop and person. And echo, it shows the name, the sex, and the date of birth. So that's how I get that. And I had to use the anchor single quotes back. This created my back button. My header, this is pretty much the same header as in my other file, but here's my styling. I didn't have very much, so I just put it in here. My title, and again, this is my picture. This is where all my functions are. This extends the controller over here. My index function, this does my people and my title. This gets my latest items. This load view for these, this gets my header, my index, and my footer. This is my view, which gets person, and then it pretty much does the same thing. Birthday model, this is how I get my latest items. This selects ID, name, sex, date of birth from my birthdays database. And there's my if statement, so it runs and fetches my information. And this is my other function, get item. This is getting my ID. So I want to select the ID, the name, the sex, the date of birth from birthday, where the ID is ID, and return my array. So that's kind of an overview of this. Like I said, it's the same as the read data assignment, but now it's just being put into frameworks. This class was a little challenging for me. I'm not very good with PHP. This is kind of my first time in here, so I still have tons to learn. I made it through this course barely with some help from the teacher. He did a really good job of kind of guiding me through. I will definitely be reading up on PHP and frameworks. Overall, the framework, after I got to doing it, it was a little easier. I really like the Code Igniter because it shows me, it gives me tutorials. Now, for the mobile development, I already have taken that class, and so it was a little harder for me since I took it before this one because I had failed this one, so then they went ahead and put me in the other one. So now I will begin the last two classes of my degree. So wish me luck, and I wish everybody luck. I had a good time in this class. It was very stressful, but got through it. Thank you. Bye.